This is Banna Hills. It's the most famous tourist attraction in Danang. And this is the Golden Bridge. This is the famous bridge with the two hands holding the bridge, and we can see already here there are loads of people here. So we'll see how long it takes to get over here. In this video we've got a tip for you to help you avoid the crowds when you visit Banna Hills. Come with us. Good morning from Da Nang in Vietnam. We've headed out of the city centre today. We're staying in an area called An Thong, and we've drove for about 40 to 45 minutes to this place which is called Banna Hills. We bought the tickets from our hotel, and the price at the hotel just for the ticket on its own was 900,000 Vietnamese dong, and that's for the cable car and for the entrance fee. But if you want to buy the tickets here, it's also the same price. But we've heard that it's better to buy the tickets in advance, because when you come you'll have an e-ticket and you can just go straight in rather than queuing up to buy your ticket. You can also do a combo as well. There's a buffet lunch that you can pay for, and I think the buffet lunch is about 350,000 Vietnamese dong. But if you get the combo with the entrance, the cable car and the buffet lunch, that's 1,190,000 Vietnamese dong. We're not having the combo with the lunch because we've had some breakfast this morning, but we'll definitely go in and have a look at the food if we can and show you what's available. You can just buy your ticket here. It looks like there's a few ticket booths as well, so it's about 9 o'clock in the morning and it's already busy. But these ticket booths, there's quite a few of them dotted around, and it looks like you can just buy your ticket from the ticket booth without any queuing. And if you're hungry when you get here, behind me over here, there's a few restaurants. You can grab a drink or a bite to eat before you go in if you want to. Banna Hills has been open now for about 10 years. It opened in March 2013, and we're going to jump on a cable car to head up there. And this cable car is the longest single lane cable car in the world. I think it's 5,801 meters long. It's actually moving a lot quicker than what I thought it would.
Where are you from?
From England.
How many people?
2. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see how long that took. That was really fast.
Yes.
I expected it to be really slow and it wasn't.
8 minutes.
8 minutes, that's good. Are you scared? That was definitely the longest cable car ride that I've ever experienced. Look at this. It was 15 minutes long, but it was very nice. And this is the Golden Bridge. This is the famous bridge with the two hands holding the bridge, and we can see already here there are loads of people here. So we'll see how long it takes to get over here. It's good though because it's quite clear today, so we've actually got a good view of the hills. Like when I'm looking down here, the view's not restricted. I imagine on a cloudy day, it's not impressive, and I have seen pictures online of people saying Instagram versus reality, and of course the Instagram makes it look amazing. I think we're quite lucky today because the sky's blue and it's not cloudy, so we haven't got a restricted view. This is a tip to get to the Golden Bridge with less people and less crowds. You should consider going during the non-peak hours of the day. Many tourists arrive in the late morning or early afternoon, so try to plan your visit either early morning or a little bit later in the afternoon, maybe around 4:30, and you can consider staying at one of the accommodations within Banna Hills. This will give you the advantage of exploring the attractions early in the morning or late in the evening when the day trippers have left. Yeah, it's much nicer at this time of day when there's less crowds, isn't it? Well, I must say, if you like crowded places with lots of people, you're gonna love Banna Hills. Just to give you an idea of the price for food, so if you decide that you don't want the combo Vietnamese lunch, then for example, you can get a chicken, a beef or a pork hot dog for 50,000 dong, and then a coconut, 70,000, all of your soft drinks, 30,000, coffees, 30,000, and ice creams for 25,000. Do you want a drink? Yeah. So everything that we've seen so far is absolutely beautiful. Whoever the gardeners are, they're doing an absolutely immaculate job because everything is just perfection. Of course, it really helps when you've got glorious weather as well because everything just looks really colourful and lovely. Oh, look at this! Can you see? Like, so you've got the peacock there. That's like the peacock's feathers on the grass. Did you realise that at first?
No.
First impressions up at this part, it's definitely not as crowded. I wonder why. So it looks like a lot of people spend a lot of time down in Le Jardin, the French garden, before making their way up here, which is lovely because let me check the time. It is, so it's 11:30 now and completely different atmosphere up here. It feels really peaceful up here. I think I like it up here a little bit more already. A little bit like a theme park. It's got like a, you know, like say going to Universal Studios or something like that. Of course there's a lot more rides there, but I think because of the buildings and the little bit of music that's playing, it slightly reminds me of a theme park, but not quite.
And I saw the sign. They say two-way here. The first one was the French village, and another one amusement park.
Ah, right.
Do you want to eat something?
No, do you?
Yeah, maybe. Before I go for the ride. Oh, mango sticky rice. Oh, this is all Thai.
We're just waiting to get on the Alpine coaster, and I think we got here just at the right time. Have a look behind me at this queue now. So I think it's going to take us about half an hour to get on here, but where the line finishes now, that's going to take about an hour, and we only got here about 2 minutes ago. Good timing. We're off. So it took about 30 minutes in that queue, but the silver lining was we got chatting to a few people and we got 2 new subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do, hit that button.
Oh, you have to brake though. He scared me. I'm in the front. Oh. free. That's so quick. Oh. Oh. What you think?
Good.
Yes.
Giới thiệu cô bé thôi, okay, you can try it. Yeah. Yes, free. Thấy người ta quay chưa 100% là đây này, ngày 18.
What have you won?
100% it's free. I might go somewhere and get something for free.
Đừng em phá của chị nha. Okay, free.
Thank you.
You can try it.
You can go first. Yeah. What is it?
Ah.
Oh, she's won as well.
Wanna try?
Yes.
Let's go 3 in a row. You gotta go.
Thank you.
Watch museum. Watch
Oh!
Lucky strike. Lucky road. You have to get 100 now.
Okay.
Thank you.
And
Awesome.
yes. Các bạn xịn giấy.
Oh.
No, I got nothing.
Oh.
Okay.
So where's the wax museum?
It's somewhere here.
That was fun. But we won these tickets before for free entry into the wax museum, so we're going to have a look and see what that's like.
David Beckham and Mr. Beans.
Yeah. Mr. Beans. Not
Mr. Beans.
Beans. Bean. Not blue one.
What is his real name?
Rowan Atkinson. Who's that?
Okay, let's guess. Who's that? Obama.
Your turn.
You?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, hi Andrew. I wish I looked like that. Look. It's me.
2. Yes. No? Isn't hard to do. I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us.
We've got a dance to this in the UK. It goes with it.
Really? What's called?
Like this one. It's like this. It's like this one. It's with a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and a shake your ass with. And then you go do 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 do. and a shake of your ass, do, 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 with a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and a shake your ass, do, 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 do. Your turn. Away. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and a shake your ass. Do, 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 do,
See? Go to the Chinese temple and pagoda, I think.
It's starting to feel a little bit cooler now as well. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it's a little bit cloudy now, but that's good because the sun's not burning anymore. So it's just the right temperature. There's a slight little breeze now as well, which is lovely.
The garden nice. Everything is well kept.
Beautiful. Oh, look at this. It's like carved out in a shape. I think that's a mouse.
No, squirrel.
Oh, yes, it is a squirrel. Yeah, it is. I can see
look
it's...
at that mouse. Look at that mouse tail.
Yeah, I can see its tail now. Yeah, so this place is huge. And you know what? When we're at the top and we look out, it still looks like there's a lot of construction going on. So it's still... probably is going to expand even further, but it's really big, a lot bigger than what we expected, and it's going to be bigger. I've got to be honest, we've been here now for about 5 hours. I'm starting to feel a little bit tired with all this walking and the heat. So I think 5 hours here is enough for you to get up on the cable car, have a look around, have a bite to eat, watch a bit of entertainment, go on a couple of rides, and then head back down. So I think what we're going to do now is jump on one more ride before getting the cable car and going back down, because we've got about a 40-45 minute ride back to Danang on the motorbike after here, and then sleep. And it's about 4:45 now, so we're making our way back down in the cable car. So we've been up here in total for a good 8 hours, and I believe that the last cable car during the day is at 6 o'clock, but then there's also some nighttime activity on, and if you come in the evening you can go down in the cable car, and I think the last one is at 9 o'clock at night. But if you're in Danang and you're interested in coming here for the day, I would say do it. I highly recommend it. We've really enjoyed it and the day's gone really, really fast. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.